students, see page number all of you 66. I am reading our remaining paragraph. The industrial working classes did not participate in the civil disobedience movement in large numbers except in the Nagpur region. So working classes, they were not interested to take their their part. They were not interested to participate in the civil disobedience movement largely. Why? Because of reasons. We are reading reasons in this paragraph. As the industrialists came closer to the Congress, workers stayed aloof. In the above paragraph, we have seen merchants, industrialists. Now they came very closely to the Congress. Why? Because they wanted to fulfill their interests by civil disobedience movement. So that workers stayed aloof means workers moved away from the Congress. But in spite of that, some workers did participate in the civil disobedience movement. But some workers, they participate in civil disobedience movement. How? Selectively adopting some of the ideas of Gandhian program. Some ideas they adopted. And to fulfill their demands also, they participated in the civil disobedience movement. Like a boycott of foreign goods as a part of their own movements against low wages. Now they participated because of they wanted to reduce, as well as they wanted to reduce the whatever the restrictions over them, and their oppositions against low wages and poor working conditions. Whatever they were getting poor conditions at their workplace, so they opposed to such a conditions. Now students, there were strikes by railway workers. Now we can see the strikes which were done by the railway workers in 1930, and dock workers in 1932. Now we can see the strikes were happened by the workers in different years. In 1930, thousands of workers in Chota Nagpur tin mines wore Gandhi caps and participated in protest rallies and boycott campaigns. Now they participated in a protest rallies, as well as by wearing a Gandhi cap, and they opposed, as well as they participated in civil disobedience movement. But the Congress was reluctant. Reluctant means unhappy. But the Congress was reluctant to include workers' demands as a part of its program of struggle. But Congress leaders, we can see so many in a Congress, we can see so many industrialists as well as the merchants. So the Congress was not ready to join to support workers' views as well as the workers' demand. It felt that this would alienate means to move away industrialists and divide the anti-imperial forces. Because of this fear, Congress was not ready to support workers' demand. Now students, remaining paragraph we'll read in next clip.